How to set up and use Discord bot on Discord. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can set up and use Discord bot on Discord. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. First thing first, you need to open up two tabs in your browser. Open up Discord and Discord. First of all, head over to the Discord and you just need to find this add your server section on your Discord. Just go ahead and click on it. After that, go on with the process of setting up the Discord. Just go ahead and authorize yourself and you will be finding this section where you can add new browser server. Just go ahead and select a server here, your server that you have on your browser, and you will be taken to this page where you need to verify yourself. And after the verification is complete, you will be taken to this page where you need to enter your main language. And then your tags, up to 5 tags. You need to enter up to 5 tags compulsory. And the description, which is a very important part. You just need to go ahead and add in description, but in tag you need to type in your channel's name or what kind of your channel is. And after that is done, on your description, as I said, it is a very important part. So here you're gonna type in the information about your Discord, about your channel, what kind of channel it is, and give a full in description and try to attract as many people as possible in your Discord server. And write in a very clear and attractive description that will attract people. And after that is done, you can turn off this NSFW server if you want, and just go ahead and save up your settings. Just go ahead and do that and save it up on your screen. And after that is done, after it is saved, you're just gonna go ahead on your Discord, and a Discord bot will be completely added. When you reach to your Discord server, it will be automatically added. So that is how you basically set up your Discord bot. So just go ahead and follow the steps and you should be able to do that very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.